Before you start to cut your carpet down to fold it into the closets and cubbies in the room, always envision what way you're going to stretch first. That way you're going to know how to properly cut down your closet doorways or cubbies. This room right here, I'm going to tie off over here and stretch that way first. Because I am going to go that way, I can simply cut this all the way to the corner and not have to worry about it pulling short. This corner here that's actually going to be stretched that way, I want to make sure that I definitely get it nice and tight. I don't want to come over here at all because it's going to pull this direction. You want to take and cut it even just a little bit tight right there. Make sure you go straight back that direction, because if you come this way any at all, when it does stretch, it's going to pull off and be short. You're going to have a hole in your carpet. Same exact thing here on this other side. You can cut it here. Now, the thing about this, when you get here, we're just 3 foot from the edge of the room where it's going to be stretched out dramatically. It's going to do a whole bunch of moving right here. I would not even go all the way to the corner. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to stop about right there and just go ahead and go up about right there. Finish my cut right there. And just leave this that far away from the corner until after I make my stretch, and then cut it down, let it fall over after I make my stretch, guaranteed not to be short or pull away.